Hey guys, so I promised I was going to talk about my cards again and also give you an update on my KUDA card, if it's working or not working. So this is the KUDA card. You'd notice here that it's a Valve card, and then this is my OPay card as well. You'd also notice here that it's a Valve card. Now, the reason for making this video is I have tested the KUDA card on Glovo. It's not working. I have tested it on Showmax as well, also not working. I've tried it for Google Play Store and it worked fine, thank God for that. It means that if you're trying to pay for an app or a subscription through Google Play Store, it will work. Your Valve card would work. I've tried it for Child Deck as well. It worked as well, this particular KUDA card. The point is, Valve card is provided by InterSwitch, which is a Nigerian company. So it means that Nigerian platforms, it would work on Nigerian platforms like your Child Deck, which accepts payment through Paystack, which is a Nigerian company. It would work on a platform like, Google Play Store, because there was a time in the news that, Valve had a partnership with Google. So because of that, you can use your Valve card to pay for Play Store. But you see platforms like Showmax, you see platforms like Glovo, they are not Nigerian companies. So because they are not Nigerian companies, a card like a Valve card is not going to work. What would work is a card that has MasterCard on it, the MasterCard logo, or if it's a Visa card. So if it's Visa or MasterCard, it will most likely work anywhere. But if it's Valve card, it will most likely work only on a Nigerian platform. In fact, if you're trying to enter it on a place like Showmax, it will already tell you that this card, is rejected, or this card is blah, blah, blah. So these Nigerian cards, Valve cards, they mostly work on Nigerian platforms, and MasterCard and Visa are global cards, right? So if your bank gives you a MasterCard card or Visa card, or if you go there and you ask for a card, ask them for a MasterCard or Visa card that you can use to pay for international stuff. When I say international stuff, platforms like Glovo would accept it, Showmax as well, your Starlink.com as well, if you're trying to buy Starlink or pay for a subscription. So I hope this helps. Right now, I can only use these on Nigerian platforms. So what should you do now if you have a Valve card? Well, I would advise you to just go to your bank and get a Visa or MasterCard. It's either that, or you pretty much bank with a bank that lets you or gives you a Visa or MasterCard card. OPay doesn't do that. OPay gives you Valve. And I feel like OPay does that because, it's more convenient for them, right? It's very convenient for these guys to give you Nigerian cards that are Valve, and they don't really have to bear the cost for many reasons. But if it's a Visa or MasterCard, I feel like Visa and MasterCard cards are not that easy to maintain. That is why a lot of banks don't give them to you. So what I do know in my experience is you can go to your bank and tell them you want a Visa or MasterCard card for international payments, and they'll help you set that up instead of a Valve card. So right now, my KUDA card, I will most likely use it if I want to pay for things in Nigeria, like maybe Child Deck or delivery or on a Nigerian platform. But that's it. Another reason I'm making this video is because I want to know your experience. Do you use any of these cards? How has your experience been over the years? Are you having issues with any of your cards? I have other cards. I have a Providus card as well. I have a GTB dollar card as well. I want to hear about your experience with these cards, and what platforms it doesn't work on and what platforms it works on. Maybe we can help each other in the comments. Let me know. I'll see you guys. Bye.